Hello dear students, you are studying The Merchant of Venice Act 1 Scene 2. Here a servant enters. Open your book and put your fingers on the lines and study seriously. Enter a servant. How now? What news? Hello. What is the news? What is the news? Servant says, the four strangers seek for you, madam, to take their leave, and there is a forerunner come from a fifth, the Prince of Morocco, who brings word, the prince, his master, will be here tonight. He says, servant says to Portia that the four visitors wish to see you as well as to take your leave. After seeing you, they will leave you. Then there is a messenger from a fifth. There is a messenger from a fifth, the Prince of Morocco. The Prince of Morocco, he brings the news. The messenger of Prince of Morocco has brought a news that the prince, his master, will be here tonight. It means the Prince of Morocco is visiting Portia as a suitor to marry Portia. Portia says, if I could bid the fifth welcome with so heart as I can bid the other four farewell. Portia says, if I could welcome the fifth suitor as gladly as I bid farewell to the other four, I should be happy to hear of his arrival. If I could welcome the fifth suitor as gladly as I bid farewell to the other four, I should be happy to hear of his arrival. If he has the virtues of a saint but the dark complexion of a devil. Portia says, if I could bid the fifth welcome with so good heart as I can bid the other four farewell, I should be glad of his approach. If he have the condition of a saint and the complexion of a devil, I had rather should shrive me than wipe me. She says, if he has the virtues of a saint but the dark complexion of a devil, I would prefer that he hears my religious confession. I would prefer that he hears my religious confession rather than he marries me. It would be better for him. It would be better for Prince of Morocco to hear my religious confession rather than he marries me. Come, Nerissa, she says, come, Nerissa, Sirrah, go before, whilst we shut the gate upon one wooer, another knocks at the door. Wooer means suitor here. Come, Nerissa, to attendant, go ahead of us. She says, go ahead of us, as we shut the gates on one suitor, another knocks at the door. Another knocks at the door. They go out. Dear students, I can understand that some of you have the problem in understanding this the Merchant of Venice, because the whole explanation is in English. Some of you want the explanation in Hindi as well, but I have not been given the permission by the school. That's why I explain it only in English. I can't do nothing. You try your best to understand it. If there is any problem, ask me. Now Act 1, Scene 3. Open page. Act 1, Scene 3. Scene 3 is taking place in Venice, a public place. A public place. Enter Bassanio and Shylock. The scene changes here. Enter Bassanio and Shylock in this scene in Venice. Shylock says 3,000 ducats. Well, Bassanio has come here to Shylock to ask 3,000 ducats, as he wanted to go to Belmont to marry Portia. So he comes Shylock for asking the money. He asks Shylock for 3,000 ducats. Ducats is a gold coin. 3,000 ducats. Well, okay. Bassanio says, for 3 months. Bassanio says, yes, I want it for 3 months. Shylock says, for 3 months. Well, okay. Bassanio says, for the which, as I told you, Antonio shall be bound. Bassanio says that, and for this, I told you already, Antonio will be surety for me. He will be guarantor. Antonio will be surety for me. Shylock says, Antonio shall become bound. Well, okay, Antonio will be your surety. He will be your guarantor. Well, okay. Bassanio says, may you state me? Will you pleasure me? Shall I know your answer? Bassanio asks Shylock, can you help me? Means, will you give me money? Will you give me 3,000 ducats? Will you do me this favor? May I have your answer? Shylock says, 3,000 ducats for 3 months and Antonio bound. Bassanio says, your answer to that. What is your reply to my request? You please tell me. Shylock says, Antonio is a good man. Though he does not like Antonio, he dislikes Antonio, but here he says that Antonio is a reliable man. Antonio is a good man. He is a reliable man. Bassanio says, have you heard any imputation to the contrary? He asks. Bassanio says, have you ever heard any allegation to the contrary to Antonio? Have you heard any allegation to Antonio? Shylock says, oh, no. My meaning in saying he is a good man is to have you understand me that he is sufficient. He says, no, my intention is telling you that he is a reliable man is to tell you that his surety is sufficient. If he guarantees for 3,000 ducats and for you, it is sufficient for me. Yet his means are in supposition. Yet his resources are at risk. His ships are from which he gets money are at risk. How he says here, he hath an argosy bound to Tripolis, another to the Indies. I understand moreover upon the Rialto, he hath a third at Mexico, a fourth for England, and other ventures he hath squandered abroad. He says, Shylock says that I know it. He has one ship sailing for Tripoli. He has one ship sailing for Tripoli and another for the Indies. And moreover, I learnt from the Venetian Stock Exchange that he has a third at Mexico, a fourth in England, and he has other business investments spread out abroad. But But there is doubt here. But ships are but board, sailor but men. There be land rats and water thieves and land thieves. I mean pirates. And then there is the peril of waters, winds and rocks. The man is notwithstanding sufficient. 3,000 ducats, I think I may take his bond. He says, yet his business is spread out abroad, but ships are only wooden planks. Ships are nothing. They are only wooden planks. Sailors are mortal men. They may die. Just as there are land rats and water rats, so there are land robbers and sea robbers. So there are land robbers and sea robbers, by which I mean pirates. Then there are the dangers of seas, storms and rocks. They may ruin, they may destroy the ships. However, Antonio is sufficient surety all the same. Antonio is sufficient surety all the same. 3,000 ducats, I think I may accept him as surety. He says that 3,000 ducats can be given as the guarantee of a security of Antonio. Bassanio says, be assured you may. Rest assured that you may. Shylock says, I will be assured I may, and that I may be assured I will bethink me. May I speak with Antonio? Shylock says, I would like to be assured. In order to do that, I will think it over. I will give you 3,000 ducats, but I will think it over. May I speak to Antonio? He wants to talk to Antonio. Students, you know that Shylock is money lender. He gives money to the people at high interest. Therefore, Bassanio has gone to Shylock for money, 3,000 ducats. Bassanio says, if it please you to dine with us. If you want to talk Antonio, it would be better for you to come at our home and dine with us, take supper. I invite you at dinner. Shylock says, yes, to smell pork, to eat of the habitation which your prophet the Nazarite conjured the devil into. What? To smell pork. He got angry. Shylock got angry. He says, what? Should I come to your home to smell pork, to eat the meat of the animal into which Jesus of Nazareth put the devil? I am prepared to buy. He says, no, I will not come. I will not come. I will buy with you, sell with you, talk with you, walk with you, and so following. But I will not eat with you, drink with you, nor pray with you. What news on the Rialto? Who is he comes here? He says there, he says, I am prepared to buy and sell with you, talk to you, walk with you, and do many of other things. But I will not eat with you. I will not dine with you, drink with you, or pray with you. I will not eat with you, drink with you, or pray with you. What is the news on the Venetian Stock Exchange? Who is he that comes? Who is he that comes? Now, in the next video you will see who comes here. If you turn the page, you will find that Antonio enters in the scene. In lecture number 5, you will study what was the conversation between Bassanio, Shylock and Antonio. Thank you so much.